how you can make your workflow faster. So I have seen most of the people work like this. They have to go, they just again and again open brushes to pick from here again and again. So this is not a good thing. It will make your workflow slower, because there is some of the some brushes which we usually use. So you can make visible here. Okay, you can drop your brushes which you mostly use here. And second thing is, uh, few brushes, as I have already told you, that few brushes which are on my tips, that is 1 move, 2 clay buildup, 3 standard, 4 dam standard, and 5, which is 5 I have changed it. Actually it is the Z modeler, but in this I have changed it to a menu or palette, you can say it palette, where I have kept all the other items from here, okay, in my one palette, which is this. And you can also name it here. So my palette name is shoot. So like this, my shoot have these options like dynamesh, z-remesh, resolution, mirror and well, daily hidden, auto groups, group by normals, split to parts, group split, extract, and these are the settings along with that. So again, if you press 5, it will go. Okay, so I will tell you how you can make your own palette, right? So first of all, you have to just make it, uh, double click on this arrows. It will make your screen smaller, but you have more options here you can add on. So this is a brush palette, so you can draw from here. So first of all, you need to go to preferences and go to config and enable customize, enable customize. Okay, so now we go to here, and just we're gonna, if you want to make a different palette, you just go to here and custom UI, create new menu. You, if you want to name something according to you, just put it here, or new palette, just put it what you want, whatever you want to. Okay, so now you just have to, no, you just have to pick from here like this. Okay, now if you want to add Z remesher here, now you have to control alt and then click, drag it and drop it here. Control alt click. If you want to pick, if you want to pick here from adaptive size, so you can control alt click and drag. Wait, control alt click and drag. Okay, now this is okay. So you can, from modify topology, you, if you use mirror and weld, because I mostly use mirror and weld, so just pick, control alt click and drag, put it here. Delete hidden, weld points, close holes. If you use close holes, just control alt drag and put it here. Okay, so now this is how you can add whatever you want to add from here. Okay, so this is all about the options. You can this is all about how you can make your own palette, right? So this is, your palette is done. Once your palette is done, you added all the things, just go to preferences and just These are all the fillers. You can use these as a fillers. Okay, so just config and just do this and make it store config. Okay, once you do store config, it will save the settings and just uh, huh, enable customize, just disable customize. Okay, so to go back to the previous interface and store config. Okay, once it will have a dialog box and you have to just click OK and it will be done. So this is how you can make your own palette, and you can add brushes here like in the same way. Enable customize, you for that you have to just pick brush palette and drop it here, and there are all the brushes. If there is some brushes which are missing which you really need, just go to brush, and for example if you want to use slash brush slash 3, just click it here and it will start showing here. And for example this is showing here, you just have to control alt and drag and you have to put it here, right? Just you can put it here like this, or you can put it here, or you can put it here, or wherever you want to. Just if you don't want, just click it, drag it here and just drop it, it will go away. So this is all about how you can make brushes. Okay, done with this. Okay, so I have told you how you can make your interface own palette to make your workflow faster. So enable disable customize, make it disable. Okay,